Hi, Team Universal Dent Repair. This is Sarah reaching out to you from Top Marketing Co. I want to reach out and send you guys these 3 quick tips you can start using today to outrank your competition in the area. I don't like to waste time, so if by the end of this short video you feel like the information I share can help increase traffic to your site and grow your business, then I would love to chat. If not, please feel free to start using this information as you see fit. All I ask is that you give me a little bit of feedback at the end of this video, if you don't mind. So I'm going to be talking about 3 quick things here today: content, citations, and backlinks. All right, so content is any words on the first page, any pictures, what's behind your pictures, and even what they are saved as is included in the content. We want to make sure we are saving our pictures under keywords our customers are searching for on Google. This is very important. Also, we want to make sure we have at least 1,500 words of content on the first page. I know this may seem a little wordy, but this is going to allow us to work in the appropriate amount of keywords and phrases we need in order to start ranking on those top pages of Google. Now, that is content. Secondly, we have citations. And a citation is any business directory online where your address is registered and can be found by a consumer. So for example, Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Facebook, any of these websites where your address is registered is considered a citation. And citations help us by being able to rank for what is called the map hack on the first page of Google for any keywords our customers are searching for. Now obviously, the top 3 businesses in these positions are going to have increased traffic to their websites. Now, how do we get here? We actually have a tool to see how we are stacked up against our competition, to see how many citations we have versus them. So the name of the game here is not only coming in and matching what our competition is doing in regards to citations, we want to come in and get more citations than our competition. And we also want to make sure our Google My Business listing is properly optimized so we can start outranking them and taking their traffic. This is citations. Now, thirdly, we have backlinks. And backlinks are the holy grail of how we get organic traffic to our site. A backlink essentially is when another website is linking back to our website. And what this does is it gives us authority, relevance, and power in Google's eyes so we can start ranking organically on these pages. Now, we have a tool to see also here how we are stacked up to our competition. All we do is plug in our information right here, and we can see we have 6 referring domains, 19 backlinks. We're being found for 57 keywords, bringing us roughly 8 organic visitors a month. Now, if we take a look at one of our top competitors in the area, we can see they have 51 referring domains, 463 backlinks. They're being found for 413 keywords, bringing them roughly 1,700 organic visitors every month. Now, this is where we eventually want to be. Have the bulk of our traffic coming in organically and as a just supplement to what we are doing. And we can accomplish this with this tool just exactly like the citations. Come in here and match exactly what our competition is doing in regards to their backlinks, and then go out and get more powerful, more authoritative, and more relevant backlinks to our site and start outranking them and taking their traffic. Now I have to ask you, if you had roughly 1,700 visitors coming to your website every month, what would that do for your business? So with that, I hope this helps you. I hope this opens up what opportunities are available. And if you feel like me and my team can help you get there, then I would love to chat with you. I'll leave my info in the description, but I can also be reached directly at 312-375-1110. I hope you have a great day and speak to you soon. Thank you.